How many clicks does it take to get the information you actually need from your data? In this video, we'll use Excel's filter function to turn raw data into dynamic, automatic results. Some of you may already have data in a spreadsheet. Others may need to enter it first. Pause the video now if you need time to enter your data. Let's answer a common question. Which sales employees have not started compliance training? Instead of rearranging or editing the data, we're going to create a live view that answers this for us. Click 1. Format your data into a table. This helps Excel recognize your data and prepares it for dynamic formulas. Click 2. Insert the filter formula. Think of filter as asking your data a question and getting a live answer that always stays up to date. Our question was which sales employees have not started compliance training. In my table 1, I'm going to include the departments in column B, and I only want it to say sales. Then I'm going to include all of the compliance training in column C, and I only want it to say not started. Click 3. Format your results so they're easy to read or share. Think about adding a title, highlighting important data to your filter formula, and don't forget to adjust the cell size so that you can completely read all your information. Watch what happens when the data changes. I'll update the employee's status from not started to complete. These filtered results update instantly without resorting, refiltering, or clicking anything else. That's the key difference between sorting and filtering. Sort is temporary and manual. Filter remembers the logic and responds automatically as your data changes. So, how many clicks does it take to get the information you need from your data? Just 3. By using the filter function, you're not rearranging your data. You're creating dynamic views that update automatically as your data changes.